Okay guys, last two examples. Example 4. Sketch the graph of y equals negative 3 sine x for one cycle showing the mapping notation. Okay, so this is your original curve. And we want it to go to a new curve and I'm only going to sketch one curve. I'm not going to do the sine x first. So I'm going to have 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. So it's going to be the same x, so it's 0, but it's going to be negative 3 times 0, which is 0. 90, same x, 90, but negative 3 times 1, negative 3. 180, 0. 270, negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. 360, 0 times negative 3, 0. So, when I go to sketch this, I'm going to have 90, 180, 270, 360, x, y, negative or positive 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, comma 0. Let's do it in red. That'll be my final one. 90, negative 3, 180, 0, 273, 360, 0, and lo and behold, we have our curve. And it's beautiful. And if you wanted to know where sine x was, the original sine x, if you did, I would put it like this. That would be your original y equals sine x. Goes up to 1, down to 0, down to negative 1, back up to 0. There you go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Went back down too far. Here. Thought that looked a little out. So, get rid of that. There we go. Up to 1, down to negative 1, back up to 0. Okay. Period and amplitude. So let's do this for the question. Y equals negative 3 sine x. The period, as we can tell, is 360 degrees. That didn't change. The only thing that changed was we stretched it vertically and we had a reflection. The amplitude is definitely going to be 3. Don't say negative 3. Amplitude is a distance. It's not a direction. So sometimes what we do to help you with that is we say amplitude is the absolute value of A. So with absolute value bars around that, you just say 3 units. What is the range? Well, we go from negative 3 to positive 3. That's the range. And, and it's equal to, sorry. I think maybe then I need to go back and change the range for one of the ones I did before. Yep, way back here. So this one should be, the range can equal to the max and minimum value, so I need the equal bars there. Thank you. Let's see what else is here. The range, the equation of the horizontal axis. Well, the horizontal axis is here, so it's y equals 0. And that's it. We've shown the mapping notation. I guess the only thing that we might want to leave here is to classify this. So y equals negative 3 sine theta has a vertical stretch by a multiple of 3. and a vertical reflection in the x-axis. So these are just the words for what we're seeing here. All right. Example 5. Write an equation for the following sine function. So we're looking at a sine function. Goes from 0, 90, 180, 360. But we notice that it goes way up here to a maximum of 8. Goes way down here to a minimum of -8. So its amplitude is 8 units. That's the amount that it goes up, and that's the amount that it goes down from its horizontal. So the equation would be positive, because it's going up, coming down, coming up. So it's not negative. If it was negative, then it would be the reflection. So it's positive 8 sine x, or very simply, 8 sine x. Okay, guys, I'll post some work for you to work on.